Alright, this is my bike. It's like an 08-ish fit flow frame, I think. I don't even know, I got it off Craigslist. Then I got Eastern Wonder Years bars, just a stock fit stem, nitrous OG forks, nitrous thruster cranks, and some Thermalite pedals. I've had 2 pairs of those, I like them a lot. Snafu Solo PC. The thing's like 5.3 ounces, lightest seat in post combo and dance comp. It's green KMC chain, real crappy, like 36 tooth old Eastern sprocket. Yeah, these stolen revolver wheels aren't mine. They're actually my friend's. He's letting me use right now because my wheels suck. But you know, whatever. Somebody wants to hear what those sounds like here. Alright, and then, yeah, I'm actually, and I got the Shadow Old Dirty grips, with those just nylon bar ends, and I'm actually trading this bike on Sunday for a 2010 Eastern Growler. So yeah, before everybody starts giving me crap about this bike, because it's standard headset and nitrous parts and all that, remember, I'm not even $200 into this bike, and I'm trading it for that sick Growler. So yeah, if you want to hate on this, screw you. Later.